Yo, yo, yo! I felt like a hip-hop star just now. Okay, guys, how you doing? My name is Victor Anyanwu, and you're welcome to the Social Media SWAT Show. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing, liking, commenting. Thank you for inviting your friends. So glad. I'm very grateful for everything you guys have been doing. It's feedback for me. It just lets me know that this is what we're doing right. We can adjust this, remove that, turn that. Thank you very, very much. All right, so today I'm here again, and today I'm going to talk about content marketing, content creation, content multiplication. All right, so people have always asked me, how come I'm always creating all this content? How do I do all of it? All right, so I'm going to share with you today my easy content creation system, all right, or my easy content distribution system, whichever one you want to call it, right? But it's just how I do content, the full system, the whole plan of how I do content. That's what I'm going to talk about today, all right? So if you have not subscribed, if you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button, subscribe, notification, like, comment, all right? And I'll be with you guys in a minute. All right, guys, I am back. Okay, I am back. And today, as I said in the intro, that we're going to talk about content, all right? Content is the thing, right? Everything you see on social media is content. Every single thing you see on social media, right? Everything you see online is content. On the blogs is content. What you see on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, it's all content, right? So how do we create that content? All right, how do we create so much content? How do you do content so that you don't get overwhelmed? Okay, so I'm going to share with you just a simple system of how I do it, which should be done in about 5, 6, 7 minutes tops, I think. All right, so get your pen and paper and let us go. All right, okay, good. So what I do first is, anytime I'm going to create content, this is what first thing I do. What I'm doing now, I record a video. All right, so this is what I do all the time. I record a video. All right, so the video could be 1 hour long, could be 2 hours long, whatever, Then that video, right, I would have identified or I've talked about several topics in the video. All right, looked at a variety of things, in the video. I would have changed, different clothes, different glasses, different locations if possible. Whatever it is, you can change if possible. Even if you don't want to change, you want to use the same, you can, But whatever it is, you can do to vary it as much as possible so it becomes interesting for those consuming it. Because that's the most important thing, all right? That they watch and they enjoy what they're watching. It's absolutely important, because if it's just dry, they are not seeing anything, they cannot communicate anything, they'll probably not watch it. So it has to be interesting for them watching. So whatever you need to do to make it interesting, please do. So that's what I do. All right, so I create video first, right? And after creating the video, I cut all the snippets that I need to cut, all the chapters or all the videos, specific themes that I spoke about, and I push all of them out to YouTube. All right, so it goes on YouTube. Now, after going on YouTube, because it's a long form video, right? So it can go on IGTV and Facebook too. Okay, so YouTube is long form, like YouTube. I'm not talking of YouTube Shorts, I'm talking of normal YouTube feed, right? It's long form. So it goes on YouTube, it goes on IGTV, and it goes on Facebook. All right, so that's one content in these different areas, right? Now, I can now cut out particular areas, maybe 1 minute areas that, that were really very, maybe I shared particular tools or resources, or I mentioned a particular strategy or tactic that was actually very, very good, so I cut out that area of the video, all right, for maybe 1 minute of it, all right? So that 1 minute can also go on YouTube, I make sure it's less than 1 minute, maybe like, let's say 50 something seconds, right? So it can also go on YouTube Shorts. So I would have created it in vertical format and put it up on YouTube Shorts. So another content for YouTube. See, then that same video will go on TikTok. Okay, that same video will go on Instagram Reels. All right, that same video can also go on Facebook and Twitter. All right, so that's this very same video. Now I'm just resizing and recutting and putting for the different areas I need to do. Understand that when you are sharing normal Instagram videos, you can do square, you can do rectangular, you can do all those ones, and you can resize when posting. When you are doing reels, it has to be vertical, right? The same vertical way your YouTube shorts will be, the same vertical way your TikTok will be. All right, so Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts basically have the same, vertical way. So you create for that. Okay, so whatever platform you need to share, you create for the platform. So one content can be repurposed for all of this. So I actually repurpose for all of these areas. Okay, so that's how I do it. Okay, now the long form content I created initially, right? Remember, I cut them into bits. Into bits for the teams, like the teams that we used for like YouTube team. Let's say I was talking maybe like this. Now I'm talking about content, right? So content. So I've repurposed for that YouTube, and I've put it there. So it's on YouTube, it's on IGTV, and it's on Facebook. Good. Now from that content, I can pick out text from there. So I can convert that video to text. So the text can go on my blog, the text can go on WhatsApp, the text can go on Facebook. Okay, the text can go as an email. All right, the text can go on any text-based platform, Twitter if possible. Right now, I can also pick that text, pick out major areas that stood out. For example, the major areas I talked about, the major areas I said I was going to cut into 1 minute shots. Remember those major areas that I cut into 1 minute shots? I can take those major areas, right, and create graphics from those areas. So I can create a graphic. I create a graphic image, like a quote, maybe me and something. All right. So I use tools like Canva. All right. I use tools like InShot. All right, I use tools like Adobe Spark. All right, Adobe Spark. When I create, I don't know if you see that there's a regular post I make of me with my Igbo hat. All right, with my chieftaincy hat, with my Igwe hat. All right, so me with my Igwe hat. All right, and there's a quote to my left. Okay, where I said a variety of things. I use what's it called? I use Canva for that. All right, there's another one I create frequently too. I use InShot for that. Then one other one I use Adobe Spark for that. So you can use these tools, you can combine them, you can use them singly depending on whatever you want to do. All right, so but that's basically how I do it. So I create one video. Okay, then from that video I create text, I create snippets for the different platforms, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, as the case may be. I create all those snippets and I share on all the different platforms depending on whatever size or dimensions they are. I just create it and I share. Okay, then I create graphics from there too. So graphics, text, quotes, videos, short videos, long videos, just name it. Everything is coming out from that video, right? So why is video is like the foundation for me. I found that okay, I'm very conversational. I'm very comfortable talking in videos. So sometimes when I want to now create my my graphics or my quotes, I might find it hard thinking of all those quotes, right? But when I go back to my videos, I can find out those quotes. All right, because I probably would have used them when training. So I remain in my element where I'm comfortable. That's talking, videos, training. So from there, I now pick out those valuable things I can use in those different areas. All right. So you could do the same. You could use my system, or you could use another system. Maybe you prefer to write. So you're a text-based person. So your text can become a video, right? You can use your text and create videos from it. Use your text, put up images, and it becomes a video. It becomes whatever you want to twist, however you want to twist it, it's possible. All right, so you can, you know, play with these things and let's see what you come up with. All right, so remember to subscribe, remember to like, to comment. If you have any questions, whatever issues you're having, please make a comment here and I will respond to it. Remember also to share the video with your friends. You know, they could it could help them, it could help anybody. All right, thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you very much for being here. I don't take it for granted. All right, I'm grateful. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.